Hey guys, it's me, Ryan. I want to talk to you guys about all the mean comments I've been getting on my MySpace. I don't know why we can't all get along. I don't know, birds are dying. I was walking on the street and I saw, this dead bird, and I was like, this must be a sign, birds are dying, and it's a sign. Birds are dying, and I don't know, the bird's dead, I don't care if Monday's blue, Tuesday red and Wednesday blue, Thursday I don't care about you, it's Friday, I'm in love. One day you can fall apart, Tuesday, Wednesday break my heart, Thursday doesn't even start, it's Friday, I'm in love. Birds are dying, our society's, it's going way downhill, I think it's, a sign, I saw that bird, dead, and, birds are dying, and, I want to share that story with you guys, about the dead bird, because, I just, don't want you guys to think I was, a poser, and, I know about pain and suffering, okay, so, one day there will come too late, one day they'll hesitate, I don't care if Monday's black, Thursday, Wednesday, heart attack, Thursday, I'm looking back, it's Friday, I'm in love.